This could be the car for you. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Take a closer look at this iconic Land Cruiser, the full-size SUV with legendary status. Its bold, stylish looks, powerful V8, and dominating stance capture the imagination, while its spacious interior and luxurious amenities create a welcoming passenger oasis. Multi-terrain driving modes let you optimize off-road performance, while driver assistance and safety tech give you the confidence to relax and focus on the adventure at hand. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Off-road prowess plus refined comfort equals the serene confidence you feel when you're behind the wheel of this impressive Land Cruiser. Our professional staff will give you an outstanding customer service experience. Why not stop in and treat yourself to a test drive?